Hey guys, we're at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a beautiful 2018 Dodge Ram. The original screen was broken, so we went ahead and installed a brand new one, Tesla style. Let me show you what it looks like. So this Ram had factory steering wheel controls. We went ahead and retained those so they work. The new radio has built-in GPS. And the original radio by broken, that's what I meant. All good though. This screen is crystal clear. Again, we have built-in GPS, all touchscreen. We still have our AM, FM. We still retain our factory climate controls. And then we added Apple CarPlay. If you've ever used Apple CarPlay, it's super simple and very flawless. This is what it looks like. Come down to Avenue Sound, Long Island, New York. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you.